I don't understand the corruption. You need to explain it to me because I don't understand. How can I be suffering mina when omnyama runs the country? How can I be the one ongenamanzi who has to bath with cold water and go to work or school when omnyama runs the country? How is it possible that mina ngiyahlupeka when omnyama runs the country? I don't understand the corruption. Something is wrong. Because clearly we are not the problem as abantu abamnyama. We can't be the problem. It's impossible. So manje the question is, what's going on? How is it that someone who was once a hero, who fought for the country, is now the enemy of the country and the enemy of omnyama? How is it? How is it that you fought for the country? How is it that you know the struggle? That you promised us freedom, and when we trusted you, you betrayed us? I don't understand the corruption. Someone needs to explain this to me.